6:45 in the morning. I go to geriatrics from 7:45 to 8:35, and then I see my first patient today at 9 o'clock, so I had to get to the school super early just to run up to clinic and then set up my unit before I go to class today, so I'm not rushing to clinic after class, trying to put the unit together and then go grabbing the patient. But you guys, I am so nervous. Like, I do not know how this is gonna go. I know my stuff, I know what I'm doing. It's just when you get in the clinic setting and you pull your first patient back, just all of that anxiety just kicks in, and I get so stressed out in the clinic setting sometimes, and I forget things and they go right over my head. So I'm praying that today is going to be a good day and my anxiety will not take over and I'll know what I'm doing. I think I have help from a few of my classmates that don't have patients today, and that will be really nice. Excited, but super, super nervous at the same time. We have like a whole list of what to get through, and I'm really hoping I get at least halfway through our appointment today so she's not having to come back so many times. But I will definitely keep you guys updated. The only thing I have today is geriatric lecture from 7:45 to 8:35, and then clinic from 9 to 12, and then I am off to go home, and then we have a radiology exam tomorrow, so I definitely have to study for that exam. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. It's 12:48. I got out of clinic about, I'd say around 12:30 after I disinfected the unit, did my grade card, stuff like that. And so now I don't have class, don't have lab today, so now I just get to go home and study because we have a radiology exam tomorrow, and then in the mornings from 9 to 12 I am just a clinic assistant. So I will see you guys at home. Hey you guys, I just wanted to give you a little quick update on how my patient went. My first patient actually ended up going super well. She just was so understanding, was so patient with me, and I actually ended up getting halfway done through her appointment sequence, which I was actually really, really proud. So next time she comes in, all I have to do is scale, which means clean her teeth, and then after I scale her, I will have my instructor come check for any calculus or tartar that I left, and then after that I'm pretty sure I polish her and then I give her fluoride, and then I will be done. But I am just so happy that I made it halfway through our appointment sequence. That definitely took a huge relief off of my shoulders. So anyways, I just wanted to update you on how my patient went, and just stay tuned for the rest of the video. It's currently like almost 7 o'clock. I basically just got home from clinic, and then me and Mason actually went to the grocery store, and then I've just been studying all afternoon. I really did not study much over the weekend, as much as I would have liked, but that's okay. It's over pretty easy material. We're doing object location, dental materials, so like amalgam, composites, and what those look like on the radiograph. And then we're going over dental caries on the radiograph as well, which is basically how we see cavities when we're looking at an x-ray. I'm so exhausted, you guys, from today. I think I'm just gonna study some more, take a shower, and then get to bed, and then I will see you guys tomorrow. You guys, it is currently 7 o'clock. Basically, I just have clinic today from 9 to 12, so I'll arrive at clinic probably around 8:30 because we have to be there 30 minutes before clinic starts. So I have clinic from 9 to 12, then we have lunch from 12 to 1, and then I have my radiology exam from 1 to 2, and then we are done for the day. And then it is actually my birthday, so me and my family are gonna go to dinner tonight and then come back home, and then I have to study for my research exam tomorrow. Oh my goodness, you guys, I completely forgot to film. It's been kind of crazy. There's a huge snowstorm coming and about to hit us. We're expected to get like 6 inches of snow, so I'm so excited about that. I ended up taking my test Tuesday. I got an 85 on it. It was pretty straightforward, so I did pretty good on it. And I just had clinic that morning. I was just a clinic assistant, so I just ran around helping my classmates with their patients. And then today, our school actually got canceled because of the big snowstorm coming in. So I will be on Zoom today and Thursday and Friday, so it's gonna be a pretty boring week, not gonna lie, you guys. I'm actually on my farm lecture right now, but I just had to film really quick and give you guys just a little update. Also, you guys, I have so many lectures to catch up on. I have to rewatch probably like 3 lectures. Our dental materials, he's not really doing a Zoom lecture, he's just posting his lectures online for us to watch on our own time, so I've completely blown that off, so I need to get into watching those. And so yeah, I'm literally just going to be watching lectures, studying, and chilling the next like 3 days. Basically, this morning my ethics and research Zoom canceled, which was kind of a blessing. I got to sleep in for once, and now I'm just on my farm lecture until 2:50, and then yeah, I'm just going to enjoy my snow day and really just relax. So I just figured I'd start vlogging. Basically, I've done nothing. I decided to clean my room, clean my bathroom, and then just do the dishes, vacuum the house, and then that's literally it. The snow's really starting to kick in. I'm honestly so surprised we're getting so much snow. Normally the news people aren't very accurate here, so. But yeah, we're actually getting some snow and I'm so excited. I honestly really need to start watching my lectures, but I really just don't want to, and I'm being such a big procrastinator right now. I think we might take Champ out later. You guys, it's Wednesday and I still have Thursday and Friday. We aren't doing much tomorrow, so I really think I'm just gonna hit the ground running tomorrow with school. And then we'll just go from there because I have 4 exams next week. I have dental materials on Monday, and then I have research exam on Wednesday, and then Thursday I have a perio and a farm exam. Really nervous about that because I did not do so well on my last farm exam, but we'll see how it goes, and I will definitely keep you guys updated. It is currently 8:45. I'm just about to get on my farm lecture at 9. He's cooking breakfast while I'm getting ready for my lecture. And then I really have farm today from 9 to 9:50. And then I have research from 10 to I think 11:50. So just another boring day of Zooms, but we are getting even more snow today. But as of right now, stay tuned for my Zooms. Update, my teacher says she's having some technical difficulties, so we're just waiting on her to get on here. got done with my farm lecture, so I'm about to get on my research lecture until 12 o'clock. It's right behind me. I have like 1 minute to get on, so I'll film that. It is currently 7:22 and I did go ahead and watch one of my dental materials lectures, prepare for the test on Monday, and then I'm going to start my study guide tomorrow. But honestly, I think for the rest of the night, I'm just going to edit this video so I can get it uploaded by Sunday. And then tomorrow I have Zoom from 10 to 12 for my theory lecture. Then tomorrow I will watch my last dental materials lecture that I need to watch. And then hopefully get that dental materials study guide done tomorrow as well to prepare for the test on Monday. But I will definitely see you guys tomorrow. What is up, you guys, and happy Friday. I am just about to get on my theory Zoom from 10 to 12, and then after I get on my Zoom today, I think we're just gonna go play in the snow. We got a couple of more inches yesterday. We're just gonna go sled with the dogs. Then we will go from there. I do have a dental materials exam 1 review going on from I think 1 to 2:50. Don't know if I'm gonna get on that just yet, but I will definitely keep you guys tuned. Hey you guys, I just got off my theory Zoom. It is currently 12:02. I'm just gonna eat lunch really quick and then watch my last dental materials lecture, and then I may or may not get on the review session at 1. I'm still debating. Mason is about to be here from football workouts, and then we were supposed to go sled and just hang out with the dogs and then just go from there.
Electron coming from the sodium, it became negative.
What is up, you guys? It is currently Monday of next week. I totally forgot to film, but I just wanted to hop on here and say, actually ended up getting on my dental materials Zoom exam 1 review session from 1:30 to 2:30, but I did not stay the whole hour. I literally stayed maybe 3 minutes because I got on there and I realized that it was more of just if anybody had any questions about the exam or was confused on anything, to just go ahead and ask him and then he would answer those questions. So I just felt as if studying by myself on my own time just really would have helped me more. Pretty much just spent the rest of the weekend studying for my dental materials exam. I will tell you guys, second semester is kicking my butt. I think the reason it's kicking my butt is definitely because we're having patience on top of all the classes that we take. Because last semester we had 19 credit hours, and then this semester we have 21 hours, but they threw us in with patience. So I think it's just trying to get the balance between classes and exams, and then having patience Monday, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. I think I'm getting the hang of it. We're going into week 5 this week, so I am vlogging another video this week. This week will be a lot better. It's definitely not going to be an abnormal week in the life. We don't have any snow. It all melted, sadly. So I'll be able to film more this week and show you guys just a lot more about my routine and what my weeks look like while in the second semester of Dental Hygiene School. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to like and subscribe if you want to watch more dental hygiene related content videos. And please feel free to comment down below what new content videos you guys may like to see. And again, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later.